Hi, this is Kevin with KGMJAM, owner of Pro Advertisers Club, a totally free site to advertise. Go to proadvertisersclub.com and join for free today and start advertising. Okay, this is the Series 3, Release 3 drop, and I was able to secure 5 packs, and I am also in line to get more if there's any left. I don't know if there will be. So I've got right now 5 packs. So let's go ahead and open the first one. It's moving really slow, so that's the first one right here. The drop was at 2 p.m. Eastern. The first one is a common RJ Hampton. It's a high serial number. And here's the second one. It's also a common Trista Thompson Dunk. Pretty high mint. And the last one. James Johnson Dunk, and that's a pretty high mint too, so that would be a common. All right, so I got 3 commons out of the first set. Let's go to the next one. Now, these aren't serial numbered, it looks like. In Topps NFT, you can buy them and you get a serial number or a mint number, and that's also collectible, and you can resell the packs on Topps NFTs. Don't confuse that with Topshot. That's a different. Topps is 2PS. Now, Topps NFT was on the Wax Network. It's now on the Avalanche. And I'm going to find out when their next drop is. This one seems to have a hard time opening. I don't know what the holdup is. I got everything seems to be okay. Let's see what number I am. Oh, 49,950 or 49,338 left. Like I said, if there's any left, I will get another 5 or at least 1. Am I supposed to be clicking this? I don't know what's going on. I'm going to pause it until okay, here's the first one. What happened? Okay, in this pack, it kind of did I had to reload it, but it opened up a Aya Smith, Hasten Whiteside, Killian Hayes, all commons, no low mints. So let's go back to packs. All right, here's the third pack. Trey Young, and that is a common. I seen Whiteside, it's a block, and that also is a common. And Bol, which is also common. All right, kind of striking out so far. Here's my fourth pack. Okay, here we go. This is my fourth pack. And that's also a common. Isaiah Hartenstein. This one's a lower mint. It's under 10,000. Javonte Green. And a common. Shocking. James Johnson Dunk. I got one more left. It does say common on the pack, so maybe they are just all commons. Okay, that's a mid-range mint. Bam Adebayo. That's my lowest mint yet, and there's only 10,000 of these. So that's maybe a rare, and that's a common. All right, so my best one is this one right here. Okay, I am currently number 45,064. If there's any left, I'll get some more and make another video. Thank you for watching.